Hello, it is Saturday morning and I am working on my 2011 Buick Regal. Today I'm replacing a multifunctional switch, the turn signal switch. This one here. To do this, first of all, let me say this. Before you do anything, take your battery loose. Disconnect one of your cables on the battery. Disconnect the negative or the positive, either one, or both. Next thing you want to do is turn your steering wheel in this position. Doing so will give you access to this one screw right here. I'll give you access. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is that on the bottom of your steering column you have a 7mm right there. You take that out, you come up, and you'll start pulling on the top half of the steering column, and it'll come right off. Okay. With the steering wheel in this position, there's another 7mm right here. You'll pull that off and slightly pull down on the bottom half of your steering column. Okay. Once you do that, there's a connector right here. It has a locking tab on the back. You push that locking tab in and pull the whole connector right out. Place it back in. Pull it right back out. Okay, pull it out. Easy part of this whole thing is the multifunctional switch has a locking tab right here, and it has one right here. You push those together and pull the whole switch right out. It comes out as a whole unit, just like this. Not on the old cars where you had to pull so many wires or trace wires down the whole steering column and from the harness and everything. You pull that right out. So don't forget, there's a locking tab right here and right here on the bottom. You push those together and snatch the whole unit. Just pull it right out. Well, I couldn't find this on YouTube. I looked and searched, so I figured I would do one. Very important, don't forget, leave your steering wheel in this position. Just turn it to the left until you can have clear view of that screw, this area, and it'll go right back in. So you need that. Also, to make it easier for you, you want to go ahead and lower the steering wheel using this little adjustment, this lowering mechanism. Other than that, only tools I use is a 7mm and a flathead screwdriver. That's it. That's all the tools you need. Go ahead and like this video, and we'll see you until next time. Thank you.